All right, man, we're here at the disembarkation location right below us. We're waiting for 2 more heads, and when they join us, we will be ready. Star of the Sea disembarkation location, we got the crew doing a safety drill right now. They do these safety drills often throughout our journey so that they can be ready just in case of an emergency. So all of you that's scared to sail and y'all worried about sailing and you're a little afraid or whatnot, man, listen, these folks are very prepared for saving you or helping you save yourself in the case of an emergency that has a very slim chance of happening. Okay.
St. Maarten, people. We're here.
No, that's not a Fraggle. That's my daughter.
What?
No,
We're here.
That's not a Fraggle. That's my daughter.
A Fraggle. What's a Fraggle?
See, that's how young these kids are. They don't know their history, man. Fraggle Rock.
Sorry.
Jim Henson, Muppet Babies.
I know Muppet Babies.
How does she know Muppet Babies and don't know Fraggle Rock? All right, man. All right, so while I sit here waiting for other folks, and I'm just sitting here reflecting, right? Because we're at day number 5 now. Day number 5, and when I first started cruising, the first few cruises were Carnival, and I really appreciated Carnival's ability to direct people into fun, the cruise directors for the most part. They had very fun cruise directors, and I really appreciated their ability to direct people into fun. Then I got on my first Royal, and I was like, yeah, the cruise director, in my opinion, did not know how to do that. In fact, I think that probably my first Royal Caribbean cruise, I left the ship not knowing who the cruise director was. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna remember a Carnival cruise director for the most part. Then I got on Margaritaville at Sea. I remember their cruise directors. MSC, I definitely remember that cruise director. And Royal, so Royal, MSC, Margaritaville, Carnival, Royal's cruise directors, I never remember. I never remember their cruise directors. And it's not a strike at them, or I'm just saying that it's definitely different, and I think that Royal don't understand that, even though, yes, it is the passenger guest responsibility to choose fun and know how to have fun, but a lot of more people than you know they have to be told what to do. They have to be guided into fun. They have to be guided into fun. Like me, I can just walk into a room or walk into a place and I can choose fun and step right into it. A lot of people need direction. They need to be guided, told what to do. Y'all see it? Look at that. It's St. Maarten. Where to next?
What?
Shirts.
Where's my shirt?
St. Maarten. Where to next shirts? All right, y'all. We're about to disembark our new journey of St. Maarten.
Turn it up a notch. This is our time. This is our fight. Burn it too bright. It's going down tonight. Raising too high. Fire inside. Going for mine. See the fire in my eye. It's been burning inside. This is part of the plan. Not just here for the ride. Never quit, never ran. Telling no lies. Here to hate and dismiss me 'cause I'm here for mine. At the end of the day got
because we could have walked, but walking would have, I think it's about a 20-minute walk. And yeah, just a little bit faster and a lot less walking. So we have got off of the boat, off of the tender boat, and over here at Great Bay Beach. Look like we need to go down to the left. I can see a lot less people down there, some open space. This side looks a lot more crowded. Right now, so we're getting some help getting our beach chairs and umbrella. My man right here is helping us out. Yeah, Sam. Yeah. He looking out for us. Clean restrooms and Wi-Fi. Y'all see it? Yeah. Look up Sam when y'all get here. We got us a little beach chair and umbrella city going on over here on the beach of Great Bay, St. Maarten. We're on the Dutch side of the island, the Dutch side. I don't think we will be going to the French side.
to the beach water. Then I made a left and walked all the way down. And this is where I am. And as you come farther down this way, you'll find plenty of open space for seating. Yeah. So you don't have to be down there in the crowd if you don't want to. And it gets thinner and thinner, thinner and thinner the farther you go, to the point where there's absolutely much of nobody. And sometimes you just need your beach chairs in the water. You know what I'm saying? You need to be that cool. Beach chairs in the water. I wonder, was it always this way? Or did erosion cause this? All right, man. That was fun. You know, did a lot of chilling and relaxing, did some sightseeing, and did some jet skiing. Yep. Had that boy out there at 60 miles per hour, just boom, boom, boom. At one point he was like, no, Dad, no, don't flip us. Don't flip us. Don't flip us, Dad. Don't flip us, Dad. Don't flip us, Dad. It's like, look, son, I got you. You gotta hold on, son. I told him, I said, you gotta hold on. He ain't believe me. I said, I'm a daredevil out here on this water. Yeah. Woo. All right, man. Let's get back to the ship, man. Get cleaned up and ready for this evening. Okay? Real talk. True story. Look at this long line to get back on the tender boat to head back to the ship. Well, hopefully it ain't too bad, or at least not as bad as it looked. Well, I think quite a few people can get on it at one time. Thank you.
Where's Mom?
Okay, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Line just looked more intimidating than it was. We should be on the next tender boat. Right now it's only been about 5 minutes of a wait. They're already up here. But I don't think we will make this boat. So it was a less than 10-minute wait. It looked like it was a long wait, but it wasn't. Judging from looking at us, ain't no need for y'all to try to guess what night it is. Ain't no need for y'all to try to guess what tonight is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is white night.
On her dark night wearing white.
Yes.
looking chocolatey, scrumptious.
You already know what it is. All right, let's go up to him. We'll walk over to 15. Walk over to Windjammer. Me and my daughter, we're gonna do a father-daughter dance. We're gonna go to the father-daughter dance. Yeah. You know, just have a little moment, and then we're gonna all get together and figure it out. Yeah. About to go and meet my daughter for the father-daughter dance. Let's see.
Hay ángeles cuidándote sin interrupción, queriéndote obsequiar. Un día genial, genial. El día está perfecto para hacer una fiesta, para que hagas lo correcto. Abraza a tu maestra, ahora es el momento de que vean brillar tu estrella. El día está perfecto para hacer una fiesta, para bailar bajo la lluvia, sin pena, sin careta. Ahora es el momento de que vean brillar tu estrella.
And after all of that, she want to go up some stairs. Man, listen, she really trying to get the old man to work out tonight.
Yes.
Man, that was fun though. Daddy-daughter dance. That was fun. I had to show her how, I had to show her that I still got moves. I had to show her that I still had moves. Her daddy still got moves, man. All right, let me go find my wife and see what they got going on. All right, I had a slight cool down period after all that. After all that, just.
So he had to dry his shirt.
Oh yeah, had a nice little cool down period, man. I'm gonna go see what's going on with this band. You know what I'm saying? See what this band doing. Yeah. See what this band doing. They say Earth, Wind, and Fire and Stevie Wonder. I just wonder if it's gonna be fire. Let's see. Finally, I'm about to go and chill in Central Park. Finally. What? man, listen, that band was awesome. Awesome, just what I needed. That was just what I needed. And we're leaving to go to Price is Right.
I'm sorry.
Listen. Oh man, listen. We could have easily left at 9:30 and got to Price is Right, but no. Somebody said we should leave early.
I don't know. You never know.
Man, we could have got a Price is Right regardless. We ain't have to leave that to go to Price is Right. But here we are, headed to Price is Right. Okay. I just realized she got me, y'all.
No, I
She got me twice.
How?
First of all, she got me by taking me out of the band. That was amazing. Knowing we had time to leave that at 9:30 and get here in time enough to be able to still do this.
I didn't know. if
But
it was gonna
then
be
I didn't
crowded
know.
or not.
I didn't know it wasn't about being crowded. I didn't know that she's participating. So she wanted to hurry up and get here because she's participating in the Price is Right. She wanted me to see her name on the
win a
screen.
brand new
She was like, look, baby, my name on the screen. Man, I could have been jamming. Like they were playing we left.
But we could win a brand new car.
We left while they were playing Fantasy.
Car.
They were playing Earth, Wind, and Fire's Fantasy when we left. Oh my goodness. Dude, we could have easily left that and came here.
I didn't know it wasn't going to be as. I mean, I didn't know that.
You knew you would
been able to
participate.
find-
You wanted to get here to participate.
And
Anyway, all right, y'all. Let's pay attention. I like this. Got the little crickets chirping.
they nice and loud too. Sound like we out in the country.
Mm-hmm.
They are really. All we need is just some stars. You can see one.
There's a lot of lights on this ship, so it's kind of hard to see them.
Oh man.
We got so many lights blaring up into the sky.
Yep. But what
Man.
a day.
Yeah.
Thursday. What is this, day 5?
Yep. The closing of day 5.
Had a good time at St. Maarten. Our first visit to St. Maarten. Well, you've been before.
Yeah, but
He was doing the.
we did
cruises.
video on that shuttle thing. We did.
On the shuttle?
Yeah, we did a video. Jason did a segment on that shuttle, that water shuttle, and then we filmed. I think we filmed like a street. We found like a pool area somewhere and did some filming there,
Oh,
and then we got back on the ship.
And this was for the Tom Joyner.
Yeah.
cruise. But you was working.
Yeah.
Working.
So this, I actually got a chance to
Enjoy.
enjoy
Yeah.
St.
The beach
Maarten.
was nice. What was the beach we went to again?
We did Great Bay Beach.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty much the beach that's right there when the ships pull in.
Yeah. And so.
It's on the Dutch side.
Yeah. And so you could either walk there or you could take a water taxi, which we did the water taxi, and it was only $7 round trip. And once we got there, it was nice. I enjoyed, they had like different shops and restaurants on the strip. But other than that, you found somebody who was renting out chairs and umbrellas, and they set you up in some chairs and umbrellas, and you enjoy the water. So it was good. Oh, and it came with free Wi-Fi and clean bathrooms. We had a hotel restroom that we were able to use, so that worked out really, really good. Oh, and somebody went jet skiing. And the jet skiing was not that much. $60 for 1 hour is what they, $60 for 30 minutes, which is not bad.
Because it's still cheaper than what we spent for an hour in Honduras.
In Honduras, yeah. We'll be back St. Maarten because I want to be able to do a tour. so I could understand this whole
Dutch and France thing.
yeah. I need the full, the full view of just kind of how that all pans out. I'm pretty sure that's a pretty interesting
Story.
tour. Yeah. So next time you come back, we'll do a tour.
All right, so we're back on the ship, obviously. We've had our evening. Once we got on, what did we do first? I grabbed a little something to eat.
Oh yeah, took a shower.
Yeah, of course, took a shower.
And tonight is white night, as you can see. We
Yeah.
got our white on, so we had to get dressed and everything.
Did the father-daughter dance. I cut up some.
Oh yeah, you was really cutting up.
Cutting up, yep, I was
He
cutting
was
up.
sweaty.
My body is hurting right now.
Yeah. The food thing for today was Tex-Mex. So I definitely enjoyed the food today. It was the beef tacos, chicken tacos, ground beef and bean tacos, burritos, Spanish rice. I mean, you name it, they had it. The price is right. I played the price is right. I
Could have enjoyed the music a little longer. Could have enjoyed the music to the end. They had the live band. I mean, it was nice. It was nice.
They were playing. They were really.
It was nice. They were good.
Yeah.
But
And
we
it was-
left
wasn't
very
it
early to go to
Stevie
Price is
Wonder?
Right.
What was it?
Stevie
Wonder.
Wonder and Earth, Wind and Fire.
Yeah. And they were. I must say, they were jamming.
Yeah.
They were jamming.
Now, we have 2 sea days and we're on our way back to Port Canaveral. But I can tell you, man, listen, I know we're not going that fast. And this ship is like rocking. And I ain't saying it like it ain't like rocking, but
But you definitely.
you
feel it.
definitely feel it.
Yeah.
Which leads me to ask, because Royal Caribbean is pumping these ships out like 1 to 2 ships a year. So it leads me to ask, Royal, are y'all rushing these ships, man? Are y'all rushing these ships? I mean, we've heard a lot of complaints. I had complaints on Icon about the noise and how you can hear these weird noises in the walls.
Whether it's shows.
Yeah.
Or it's something just I don't know.
It's just noises.
But you would think that by now some type of sound barriers between walls would have been created by now. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. Maybe y'all need to slow it down and
Yeah, they are pumping these ships out.
to refigure some things out. Okay, when it comes to the noises being heard and
I don't know. Like the noises. It's like the stabilizers ain't as good as maybe Utopia. But we just got off MSC World America last month, and I tell you that thing, it handled the
It was
sea well.
gliding like-
It handled the sea well.
that thing was gliding like a Cadillac.
Yeah, it handled the sea well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe y'all just need to slow it down, I guess. I don't know. 'Cause I saw the map. Y'all got 5 ships due to release in the next 4.5 years. So I'm like, man,
Are y'all fixing the sound?
yeah, I don't know.
And the what is it? The stabilizer of the ship.
Yeah.
Look into getting those type of things fixed. I'm just saying. I'm not a shipbuilder, but if I was,
An Icon class, man. Icon class. Love it. Love it. But I must say that I'm officially my Icon of the Seas. I had given an edge. I had given an edge because of all the activities and entertainment it had on there. Star seemed to have scaled back a little bit, but I see that this is not totally for me. Y'all cater to families with kids and like little kids and stuff like that. And I think that this is the best. This is best suited for people with little kids, under 12, and maybe in teenagers too. Oh, they having a ball. The teenagers
Oh, my
are having free reign.
Yes.
Free reign. When I tell you they can go anywhere. I mean, I'm surprised they're not in the casino taking over. Like they get to go anywhere, everywhere. Which is funny how with so much to do, they still seem to gravitate to weird things to do. Like I was on my way to my room and they were laying spread out on the floor in front of the stairwells. They were just laying on the floor. Like,
Of all the places
ain't y'all got
you
something?
could be,
Ain't there plenty of things for y'all to do? But no, they want to be in front of they want to do stuff that that's not okay to do. They want to push, and it's almost like they want to see how far they can get away with. And as long as nobody say nothing, they gonna keep pushing to see how far and how much they can get away with. And ain't nobody saying nothing. I went in the adults area today. The adults, the hideaway? I went into the hideaway, the adults only, 18 and up, and there were 2 or 3 kids back there with their parents. So, like, as long as the line keep getting crossed, the line will fade away.
Yeah.
So,
Yep.
yeah, man.
All right.
Well, we chilling, and about to call it a night.
Really?
We about to call it a night. Our usual, it's 11:15. We about to get on our regularly scheduled program. Enjoy this scenery for a few more minutes.
Yeah. Good thing is, the next 2 days is a sea day, so no trying to get up early to get out the door. Matter of fact, even for today, we were supposed to get up early to be off the ship because it was an early port from 8:30 to 4:30, but we didn't wake up until, what was it, like 9:30? So at least we'll feel a little better if we sleep in tonight.
Yep. All right, folks. We'll see y'all in the morning for the next part of this Star of the Seas series.
Yep. Bye.